How to save photos from WhatsApp web on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp web on your device. Then, simply click on the chat where there is picture. Click on the picture and it will show full screen picture after you click on the picture. And at the top right, you will find arrow-like option. Click on it, which will download the picture. After your picture is downloaded, simply click on the downloaded picture. And then in here, simply select where you want to open your photo. And then as you can see, it has been saved and it's in the PC. This is how to save photos from WhatsApp web on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.